Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you will be safe and healthy at your homes. Yes students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Students, today I will teach you how to add numbers by breaking one number. So students, be ready to study with me. Take your notebooks and pencils with you. Here we start. Today's topic is how to add numbers by breaking one number. Firstly, as usually you are doing the addition sums. See how we were adding. Firstly, 312 plus 9. Suppose you have to add these two. 312 ones, tens, 100. We will write the places and we will write the digits under the places. Then 9 is to be added. 9 has been added. 9 and 2, 11. 1 carry. 1 and 1, 2. And here 3. We will get 321. When we are adding 312 plus 9, then we are getting 321. This is called simple addition, as usually we are doing in our daily life. As usually you have learnt up to this time, this addition is according to that method. But today I will tell you one new method, that is how to add by breaking up the numbers. See, the same statement I will take as an example, that how to break the numbers and how to add after breaking the numbers. See, 312 plus 9, I have taken 312 plus 9. Students, here you have to see what to be added. Here one digit is there. Here one digit is there. Second number. This is the first number. This is the second number. Here only one digit is in second number. So if one digit is in second number, so you will change one digit from here as 0. So what you will do? How you will break this? 312 was there. So ones place, here was one digit. So ones place digit you will make 0. When we have written ones place digit 0, then we have made two parts of the 2. One is 0 and other is 2. 2 is written in two parts. One is 0 and second is 2. So it will become 310 and 2. 312 will be broken into two parts. Those are 310 and 2. So we will write 312 in two parts. 310 plus 2. And what we have to add, that is 9. So we will add firstly small numbers. Those are 2 and 9. These will be 11. 310 plus 11. So what you will get? 321. The same answer you are getting. The change is only of method. Nothing is there. Answer will be same. Now see one more example. 312 plus 19. Now you can see here there are the two digits to add. Here was only one digit, so we have made ones place as 0. Now there are the two digits. Again we will make ones place as 0. So see, 312. Ones place we will make as 0. Ones place 0 we will make, and what will be written? 312. Ones place 0 and 2. Because 2 is there, first part will be 0 and second will be 2. 1 will remain same, and then what you will get? 310 and 2. What you will get? 310 plus 2. 312 is broken into two parts. What are those parts? 310 plus 2. And what to be added here? 19. What to be added here? 19. 312 is broken into two parts, that is 310 plus 2, and this number we are already given to add. Now you will add these two. 19 plus 2 we will get 21. 310 plus 21, what you will get? 331. What you will get? 331. Now see one more example. 6312 plus 400. Now here the number that you have to add, that is of 3 digits. That is of 3 digits. If the number is of 3 digits to be added, so 2 digits we will make as zeros. So 2 digits we will make as zeros. See how? 6312. 6312. 2 digits 12. So in place of 12, what we will write? Zeros only. So we will write the number. We will break the number like this. 6300, or you can say 6300 plus 12. two digits we have made zeros and we have written those two digits separately. Means we have done two parts of this number 6312. We have written this number into two parts. Those are 6300 plus 12. And you can write here, in place of 6312 we have written 6300 plus 12 and 400 is to be added. Now add the zeros numbers firstly. Means the numbers those are having zeros, we will add those numbers firstly. 6300 plus 400, then what you will get? 6700, and this 12 will be written as it is. Now add these two, 6700 plus 12, 6712 is the answer. Now see one more example, 5510 plus 300. Now here are the three digits. So two digits from here we will make these digits as zeros. See how you will break this number. This is already 0. These will be already as zeros, and 1, 0 and 1. So what you will get? 5500 plus 10. 5500 plus 10. 5500 plus 10, and this 300 we will write as it is. So firstly, which numbers you will add? 5500 plus 300. When you have added these two, what you will get? 5800 and plus 10. When you will add these, 5810. Now see next one more example, 4120 plus 200. Here are the three digits to be added. So from here two digits will be made zeros. Means 20 we will written separately and we will write 4100. 4100 plus 20 plus 200. Now we will add these two, 4100 plus 200. It will become 4300 plus 20. These both will be added, 4320. Now see one more example, 914 plus 60. Here are the two digits to be added, so only one digit we will make here 0. See, 914, one digit is to be made 0. In place of 4 we will write 0 and 4. So what you will get after breaking? 910 plus 4. 910 plus 4 plus 60. So you will add these zeros numbers firstly, 910 plus 60. It will become 970 plus 4, 974. Now see one more example, 4914 plus 600. Now here are the three digits. Then how many digits from here you will make 0? 2. From here two digits will be made zeros. When these will be broken in zeros, 4900 plus 14 plus 600. So zeros numbers will be added firstly, 4900 plus 600. You will get 5500 plus 14. So it will become 5514. Now see one more example, 914 plus 6. Here is one digit. So from here one digit will be made 0. 914, 4 will be broken in two parts, 0 and 4. 1 will remain 1 and 9 will remain 9. So 910 plus 4 plus 6. You can see here zeros numbers are not there, but we can add these 4 and 6. It will become 10. 910 plus 10. It will become 920. Now students, while doing these sums, you have to keep one thing only in the mind. What is that thing? If there is one digit to add, then only one digit to make 0. Means in place of 2 you will write 0 plus 2. 310 plus 2. If there are the two digits, then also you will make only one digit as 0. Means in place of 2 you will write 0 plus 2. If there are the three digits to add, here if there are the three digits to add, so you will make two digits as 0. You will make two digits at 0. How you will write this? 6300 plus 12. You will break this number. You will separate two digits from this number. If there is one digit to be added, you will separate only one digit from here, and in place of that digit you will write 0. If there are two digits to be added, then again you will separate one digit from here, and in place of that digit you will write 0. If there are three digits to be added, then you will separate two digits from this number. you will separate 2 digits from this number, and in place of those two digits zeros will be written. In this way you can do these sums. Students, do the sums carefully, understand the concept, do the practice of these sums. Hope you have understood this concept. Thanks a lot. Have a beautiful day ahead.